Yum, yum!
Floyd here with a quick look at creating a radial saw blade in Plasticity. Start by creating a circle curve. Create a line curve down the center of the circle. Trim away half of the circle, then join the curves. Radial array the shape with a count of 16. Select all faces and press Shift-D to create a new curve. Delete the other curves. Then draw a new circle the diameter of this segment. Radial array it with a count of 16. Then draw a new circle curve in the center. Extrude and taper the face to create a solid, and you're all set. Oh, look at the time.